Hola, soy Juanita. It's Juanita here, and today I want to talk to you really quickly about some Spanish grammar. If you watched my last grammar revision, you'll know that grammar is not scary at all, and it actually helps you to make sense when you speak. And just quickly, if you like my Spanish lessons, please do me a big favor and click on the subscribe button underneath my video so that my channel can grow and I can keep making more videos. Today we're going to talk about 5 common verbs in Spanish that you can use to describe what you're doing. What are verbs? Well, in a nutshell, they're words that show an action. They're action words. In Spanish, verbs can end in AR, ER, and IR. Today we're just going to focus on the ones that end in AR. What does this mean, you say? If you've been watching my story videos, you will already know a few of these verbs. Let's see. Visitar means to visit. Jugar means to play. Cantar, to sing. Ayudar, to help. Hablar, to speak. We know how to say things like vamos a visitar, we're going to visit. Vamos a jugar, we're going to play. Voy a cantar, I'm going to sing. Voy a hablar, I'm going to talk or speak. And voy a ayudar, I'm going to help. All of these things are going to happen in the future. But if you want to talk about what you're doing right now, the verb will look a bit different. Check these sentences out. Estoy visitando. I'm visiting. Estoy jugando. I'm playing. Estoy cantando. I'm singing. Estoy hablando. I'm speaking or I'm talking. And estoy ayudando. I'm helping. So when we want to describe an action we're doing right now, we take away the AR and we add ANDO. So the verb visitar becomes visitando. Jugar becomes jugando. Cantar becomes cantando. Hablar, hablando. And tell me the last one. Ayudar becomes ayudando. It's the same in English. I'm going to play versus I'm playing. It has a different ending. So let's say you're visiting your abuelos, your grandparents, and your best friend calls you. They ask, ¿Qué haces? What are you doing? How do you say I'm visiting my grandparents in Spanish? Estoy visitando a mis abuelos. Let's say you burst into your sister's room to see what she's doing. You sit down and ask, ¿Qué haces? What are you doing? And she replies, I'm playing. How do you say I'm playing in Spanish? Estoy jugando. Your mom, who is fond of opera, is making dinner. You enter the kitchen and hear her going, la 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 la. You ask, Mamá, ¿qué haces? And she replies, I'm singing. How does she say that in Spanish? Estoy cantando. You are sitting in class and your teacher's explaining some maths problem for what seems like hours. You feel really bored, so you start whispering to the person next to you. Your teacher finds that rude. How does she say, I'm speaking? Estoy hablando. And finally, You're about to blow out the candles on your birthday cake, but your little sister does it before you can. When you ask, ¿Qué haces? She replies, I'm helping. How does she say I'm helping in Spanish? Estoy ayudando. Well, that's it for today's lesson. Adiós y nos vemos en el próximo video. I'll see you in the next video.